Hey, Coach Greg here with Sport Training, and today we have a beginner's full body workout for you. This should be a quick one, so grab your water, keep it close by, and follow along as we do this workout. We're gonna start off with some front jacks. We got 30 seconds on. Here we go, in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So normal jumping jack is like this. We're just gonna focus on stepping so you don't have to jump. Leave the ground, and instead of the arms overhead, we're keeping our arms up in front of us into a front raise. This is a great way and a great variation of the jumping jack, so you can still get your heart rate up, get your body nice and loose without any impact on your joints. So get a nice cadence going. You don't have to be going as fast as I am. You can just step out, boom, and then we can speed up as we go. 3, 2, 1, and done. Moving along, we have some knee repeaters. This is a fun one. I love this exercise because it incorporates your whole body. All we're doing is stepping back, almost not into a lunge, but front leg will carry most of our weight. And all we're doing is arms up ahead and bringing that knee up as we pull our elbows back, stepping down, switching sides, boom, just like this. Almost becomes like a dance move. So you're pulling, just like that. So here we go, 30 seconds, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. If this is too difficult, feel free to hold on to something, and you can just focus on the knees. This is just a great full body exercise. Or if you want, you can just focus on one leg at a time, 15 seconds, and then switch to the other, whatever you prefer. There we go. Moving along, we have IYTs. We're gonna focus on our shoulders and arms. Have your feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, core is tight. I'm reaching forward with my hands. I'll turn off to the side from you. We got an I, then a 45-degree angle for the Y, then straight 90 for the T. So here we go in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. I, Y, and T, boom. Really reach with your fingertips. Make sure your back is flat, core is tight. You're gonna feel it all up in your arms and your core, even your legs. Here we go. Crushing it. Three, 2, 1, and done. Great job. Last, we just have the good old squat. Use whichever variation works for you. I like to at least get halfway, my feet shoulder width apart, slightly pointed out. And here we go in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. I just sit back down. Boom, I like to keep my elbows. My chest is proud. If you want, you can have a seat or a chair or anything behind you. You can even just do this right here, whatever you prefer, or you can even go all the way down. Just go whatever works for you. But I like to use my hips to drive up. I'm just sitting down. I'm not coming down this way or this way. Really want a nice, strong, stable base. There it is. And done. First set is done. You now know exactly what you're doing. Let's get started with these next 2 sets. Front jacks, 3, 2, 1, go. Knee repeaters, 3, 2, 1, go. IYTs, 3, 2, 1, go. Squats, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, 2 sets down, 1 more to go. Grab water if you need to, but if not, we're gonna jump right into this. We got this, starting right now. Knee repeaters, 3, 2, 1, go. IYTs, 3, 2, 1, go. Squats, 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it. That was your beginner full body workout. Hopefully you loved it as much as I did. I am sweating. I feel it in my core, my legs, my arms. Hopefully you had a great time with this. Feel free to come back to this workout weekly, monthly, daily, whatever you prefer. But these are the type of exercises we have here over Svelte. We want to be low impact, but high impact as far as muscle growth, fat loss, and everything in between. So I'm Coach Greg. I will see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.